Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to episode 5 of our Ramadan series. Today, I'm thrilled to share with you an irresistible recipe that is Chicken Cigar Rolls. Named for their sleek shape resembling cigars, these savory delights are bound to impress. Let's dive into the culinary adventure. We'll start by preparing our flavorful chicken filling. Into a mixer grinder, add 250 grams of tender chicken breast. To spice things up, add a teaspoon of chili flakes, though feel free to adjust to your taste. Sprinkle in half a teaspoon of turmeric, a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, half a teaspoon of garam masala, a teaspoon of coriander powder, and a teaspoon of salt. Cover and grind until you achieve a fine paste. Now here's a pro tip. To ensure our mixture is pipeable and holds together beautifully, let's crack in an egg and blend until smooth. Perfect. Now we can transfer this mixture into a piping bag for easy filling. Okay, so let's take a piping bag and fill the chicken filling now. Once chicken filling is filled, I'll gently seal the bottom of the piping bag so that I don't spill out any of the chicken fillings, and make sure to cut a small piece of piping bag in the front so that it's not very big and we can easily fill our filling into the cigar rolls. You can just follow the method from the video. Next, grab your spring roll sheet and a trustworthy straw or pen to help with rolling. I have used the straw used to drink boba tea. Now, lay the sheet flat, place the straw at the edge and roll forward, just like so. Now, seal the edges with an edible glue made from a mixture of flour and water. Once applied, roll the cigar rolls gently forward and seal the cigar rolls. Gently release the rolls from the straw, and here we have it. Repeat until all the sheets are filled. I'm just making another roll to show you in detail. Do follow the same method and it's very easy. You don't have to be worried just until you get handy. Now it's time for the filling fun. Pipe the chicken mixture into each roll, ensuring a generous yet tidy amount. Oh, doesn't that look tempting? Now, repeat the same method and finish all the remaining rolls. While we are preparing the rolls, let's heat up some oil in a pan. Once it's hot and ready, carefully fry the cigar rolls until they achieve a glorious golden brown color. Remember, a medium-low heat ensures even cooking without any burnt mishaps. As they sizzle away, let's talk versatility. These delectable rolls freeze beautifully, making them a convenient go-to for any occasions. And there you have it, crispy, flavorful chicken cigar rolls, ready to steal the show. Serve them up with your favorite dipping sauce. I'm partial to a spicy sweet chili sauce myself and indulge in a taste sensation like no other. If you're loving these recipes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more mouth-watering creations. Until next time, happy cooking!